Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about work. So please, I will ask you to watch the video I will link in Moodle, okay? After you watch it, please come back. Okay, great. Now, look at these pictures. What do you think happened and why do you think these people reacted like that? Please pause the video and write them some notes. Great. Now, read these sentences with me. Do you agree? Do you agree or disagree with them? A. There are certain types of people that I will never get along with. B. It is important to take into consideration other people's feelings before speaking. C. When working in a team, everyone needs to have the same approach. D. Breaking the ice in a work situation is essential for good teamwork. Which ones do you agree with? Okay, guys, we're going to share this in class. Now, I want you to please match the conversational styles with their definitions. Pause the video while you work on this, please. Okay, awesome. Now let's go ahead and check. So, an intuitive person, it's built around seeing the big picture. These people are comfortable outside the box. Excessive detail can cause impatience for those with this conversation style. An analytical person tends to be logical and data driven, which can make them seem distant and cold. Personal. This person is a listener who looks to make connections. For some, they can seem touchy feely at times. And functional is characterized by an interest in detail and process, and by being extremely thorough, which can be tedious. Okay, great. Now let's continue. I want you to please read the testimonials in page 10 and page 11 of your student book. Please take notes about this. What was the nature of the conflict? How was the conflict resolved? What is each person's conversational style like? Please pause the video while you work on this. Okay, guys, we're going to share this during our class. Let's continue. Okay, now I want you to please read the testimonials again and this time look for the highlighted words. Complete this glossary with them. Okay, now it is time to check. So we have profitable is beneficial, useful, or that it's giving financial gain. Productivity is a noun and it means the effectiveness of productive effort. Productive effort. See, specifically it's an adverb in a way that is exact and clear, is the way something is done. Assess is a verb and it's to evaluate or estimate the nature, ability, or quality of something. We have strategy, which is a noun, and that is a plan of action or policy designed to achieve a major or overall aim. And beneficial is an adjective that means favorable or helpful. Great job. Now, I want you to please use these words to complete this chart. I already put them in the correct place. For example, assess is a verb. What is the noun for assess? The object that sounds a little bit similar to that. That's right, it is an assessment. Now, what would be the adjective? The adjective would be assessed, right? And an adverb would be, in this case, would be accessibly. Now, if you're not sure about any of these words, then you can look in a dictionary to find the noun, the verb, or the adjective or adverb form of the word that you need. Please pause the video while you work on this. Okay, now let's go ahead and check. So, we have the noun benefit. The verb is also benefit. An adjective would be beneficial and an adverb would be beneficially. Noun productivity. Verb produce. Adjective productive and adverb productively. Noun profit or profitability. Verb profit. Adjective profitable, sorry, and the adverb would be profitably. Okay, great. Next one. The noun would be specification. Specify is the verb. Our adjective would be specific, and we know specifically is an adverb. Noun strategy. Our verb is to strategize. Adjective strategic and adverb strategically. So if you remember, the nouns are the objects, verbs are actions, adjectives they describe a noun, and an adverb they can describe either a verb or an adjective. Okay, awesome. Now we're going to be using these words to do the next activity. Go to your student book, page 11. Complete the sentences with the words from the previous chart. For example, A. We need to find a way to increase productivity at the company. Let's do letter B together. To lead a better life, it is important to one's diet and exercise regimen. Let's see. It is important to assess, benefit, produce, profit, specify, or strategize. What do you think is the correct verb here? That's right. The correct verb would be assess, right? To evaluate one's diet and exercise regimen. Okay, great. Now pause the video while you work on the rest. Okay, guys. Now let's go ahead and check. C. One thing that gave me tremendous satisfaction was seeing my house built to my exact specifications. D. One key to a profitable business is to have employees who share your vision. E. Unrelenting dedication to one's craft is a strategic advantage over competitors. Very good. Now let's go to our workbook, page 5 and page 6. Let's work in exercise 3. Here we need to underline the correct word to complete the sentences. Letter A is already done for you. The ability to be tactful is a great skill. Now let's think about B. She works so efficiency or efficiently with her new computer that she gets the job done in half the time. What do you think? Am I using an adjective? Am I using a noun or an adverb? What am I doing? Well, since I am describing the way she works, I need an adverb which would be efficiently. Great job. Pause the video while you work on the rest. Okay, guys, now let's go ahead and check. C. He's completely lacking in competence and cannot do the job properly. He doesn't have competence. D. I'm looking for a job where I can fulfill my ambition to write. E. It is very satisfying when people congratulate you on making a good presentation. F. He doesn't have any consideration for anyone else. He just does what he wants and expects everyone to go along with him. G. Do you think getting that report finished by 5 o'clock is really achievable? Do you think you can do this? Okay, great. Now, continue working on page 6, this time exercise 4. Here, I want you to complete the sentences with the correct form of the words in parentheses. We have our letter A already done. She is a very considerate person and always thinks about the needs of other people around her. We need to use consider. B. I really don't think your work is. You're going to have to make much more of an effort if you hope to pass the exam. I need to use satisfy. Here we need we would need satisfactory, right? Which with an adjective. Okay, guys, great. Pause the video while you work on the rest. Okay, guys, we're going to check this in class. I will see you then, okay? Bye bye.